Enter the search term of the item you are looking for. Then hit search. Look for the item that you'd like to know the value of. When you see your item, simply press More. You will be taken to a page where you will be asked to pay just $1 to reveal the value of the item. You will then be automatically taken to our account registration page to create a free account. Unless you already have an account, in which case you will just be asked to log in. Next, you can add your preferred payment method. Once you add a payment method, you can reveal the prices of any items in our price guide at your own leisure. Now that you have registered your account, you will be taken back to the original item page that you clicked on to find out its value. Simply click the Reveal Price button. This time, you will just be asked to confirm that you want to pay $1 to reveal the item's value. Once your payment has been processed, your item's value and sold date will be displayed on the screen as shown. If you go to My Account, you will see your user dashboard. This is where all your items and their values are stored for future research and so on. Thanks for watching this tutorial. We hope that the Worth What Price Guide provides our users with useful and up-to-date research material.